Hi guys, today we will work with Lexus CT 200 2014. This same Lexus started from 2011 up to 2018. So in this car we will change oil. That's super easy. For all this project I will give you step by step everything what you have to do. So please stay tuned.
Don't forget to subscribe and shoot me thank you with your thumbs up.
So for begin, I will show you where you should put your jack to lift all your car all together, right and left side. This cup. In this cup you will see the model of oil. It's a 020 engine oil, full synthetic. So we purchased our oil from Walmart. It's a model 1 020, and Walmart start selling original Toyota oil filters, which is amazing, and this is the part number for the oil filter. So you open this cup to let all oil cool down if it's a little bit hot, and the compression of oil will release and all oil will go down to the oil pan. Then you're supposed to take out the undercar shield. I'm using my favorite Makita, and you can check my videos about my tools on a link I will leave in the description, and that's the best prices I found for the tools and the best tools ever. Then you have here oil filter, right? Let's take this oil out. 14mm socket. Take it out pretty fast. If you have gloves, that's the main tool in this work. Okay. Do not over tight it. So tight it well, but do not over tight it. Then I will put in the middle option right here. Take the oil filter and open it. New filter is installed, and then you will take this thing and take it out and put the new one. See how carefully I did it, and I put a little bit of oil out all around to easy remove in the future. See, it's absolutely stick in maximum as much as possible. Dipstick, so it's clean, and start. So it's about 0.8 left on it. Okay, we're full, so just let it 30 seconds. All oil will go down, and then put your dipstick and check your level. Put in and take it out. It's pretty hard to show it, but it's absolutely full. Just straight full. Good. How to reset the oil light, I will show you on a link I leave it right here, or right here, somewhere right there.